Hey friends, Jim here with Philly Fixed, up here at my messy lab table area. And today I've got the FNIRSI cordless soldering pen, HSO3. FNIRSI sent this to me, and I'm no stranger to their brand. Before they contacted me, I actually have a couple of their tools. This is their tester probed style LCR meter for measuring capacitors, inductors, and things in circuits. I think I also have one of their little mini oscilloscope slash signal generators that I've used on analog video equipment repair. So when they said, hey, do you want to check out our soldering pen, cordless soldering iron? I said, sure. So let's get this unboxed and test it out and see what we think. So you've got a nice carrying case, looks very similar to my other little LCR tool I was talking about. So nice solid carrying case. And inside you've got user manual, of course, some screws, we'll find out what those are for. You've got different soldering tips. If we take a closer look, this is a very fine conical tip. And this is a little kind of very fine hook tip. And then the dash K is your standard chisel tip. Comes with a screwdriver to go with whatever these screws are for. Okay. So here's the soldering iron, and I don't know what this accessory is. It has a little screw socket on it, so we'll find out what that's for. So I guess we'll hit the OK button to turn it on. There it goes. We'll go with English. There we go. Trying not to have glare on the screen for you guys. So we'll pick our units as Fahrenheit. And then it's telling me to put a tip in. So yeah, I get it. Thank you, soldering iron, for yelling at me. All right, well, that's annoying. We're gonna turn that off. Let's just see if we can just slide the, we're just gonna push this in. Okay, is this a stand? Ah, it's a stand. I see. Cool. Although, I'm sure this is messing up my autofocus, but it's a little topply for a stand. Yeah, see? It shows the soldering iron and the soldering tip. And here on the cover it shows this. So I think it's literally just, oh, it's like magnetic. Anyway, literally think it's just a cover, nothing else. All right, so you've got settings on the top here. You've got presets, that's what it is. So you can use the presets on the top. So it goes 480, 570, 660, 750, 840. But you can also fine adjust the temperature. So there you go. Okay, so I have an old power supply board from VCR or something here. Let's try to take this big capacitor out. I switched to the chisel tip on here. Let's crank it up to 840. Okay. Okay. No. I was working on the wrong capacitor, but came out. So, okay. Let's try soldering some things instead of just desoldering. I've got a little USB-C battery charging board. So let's just give that a shot. I'll do that. Got a little 22 gauge piece of wire here. The end is not tinned, so here's what we'll do. We will put a little flux on the end there. Okay, we'll put some flux on the battery or the power out port. And I have some cheap unleaded solder, so not the easiest to work with. This is 0.6 millimeter lead-free solder, so it's not the lowest melting point. So we'll give it a try. We'll get this piece of wire up through the through hole, and let's see how it goes. Looks pretty serviceable to me. Okay, we'll get this turned off, and then we can talk about, put our little protector on the end so I don't burn myself. This does have a removable battery, so let's see. I think maybe that's how you get the battery out. So I think you have to use the screwdriver here. Take the little screw out. Yep. Take that screw out, and there is a standard 18650 battery in here. It's 2600 milliamps. Unbranded, but if you wanted to, it's JHCY, whatever that is. So you could get a good Samsung battery in here or whatever you wanted. But it is nice that you can swap it out, or you could even have standby batteries and keep them on hand in case you're doing a lot of cordless soldering. Not a fan of the screw to have to remove it. I wish it kind of just had like a, slide open door or something to remove the battery. But nonetheless, it's nice that it's a removable, non-proprietary battery. All right, so what do you guys think of the FNIRSI HSO3 soldering iron? I think it's nice. The little digital display is nice, so you can see what temperature it's actually at. It's got your presets, or you can fine-tune your temperature if you've got a sensitive application. It's got a protective cover. Comes with 3 tips. Comes with your nice carrying case to keep all of your accessories, and each of the tips also has a protective case so you don't lose it or jab yourself on it. It's the nice little details about that I think really sets these types of things off, so you can just throw this in your electronics kit, keep it on your workbench, keep all your accessories together. So Amazon link is below. If you use the link, I might get a commission or something. Again, FNIRSI did send me this thing, but they sent me the free tool. They didn't pay me or anything. But let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm Jim with Philly Fixed. God bless you guys. I'll see you on the next one.
Hello, I'm Jim Davis.
FNIRSI.